Good morning, fellas. It's me again. My next project will be an infinity cube. First time, never done it. Let's see how it goes. As soon as I start, I gotta get my wood ready. I have to cut. I have to cut 12 1 inch and a half to 2 inch times 12. I gotta go 12 of them. So I already marked my 19 inches, right? And out of the 2x4, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I get 10. All right. So I'm short 2, but I need 6 17 inches. So let me work on this. Get you guys later. See you soon. Oh, by the way, I got me a whole bunch of new clamps because you never have it all. I have more stuff here. I got me 18 inches. Got 4 of those, and I got 4 of 6 inches. 2 strapped 1 inch by 15 footers. This strap, you just strap it to whatever you're building. Like if you're building a square, make it nice and tight. You get that. And I had to get another blade because my blade, it was getting dull, so I had to get another. And I just received this box. I hope it's mine. Let me see. Yeah, I just received this one. Let me see what it is. Yeah, it's mine. Guess from where? Timo. All right, let's pop it open and see what's in it. Let me see what's in here. They packed this like. I hate this freaking knife. I have so many of them. Okay, oh. Guess what I'm getting? Oh. More clamps. Ha ha! Another one. And another one, and another one, and this is the butt for that. So I got 4 of those that I have to put together on a quarter pipe. I have the pipe right here. I'll show you guys in a minute. Got 4 of those, and I have 4 more. I got 2 more here. More. Another one hanging around here. So now I have 6 in this box, 6 of them. I have like what? Another 6 over there, right? All those clamps up here. Can you see them? Oh, let me flip. Got all those clamps over there. Got more here. And a whole bunch that I just got. Okay, what I was gonna show you? Yeah, that's what it is. Alright.